Hi, so today I want to take you through an exercise that's wonderful flow, working with the energy of a tiger. In Chinese medicine, the tiger is a beautiful animal that works with the energy of integrity and courage and dignity. So we're going to work with the flow of a tiger in Tiger Pierces the Veil. And the veil is the veil of unknowing or uncertainty when we feel lost, and when we came into this life we felt this disconnect from the greater energies that we're all connected with, and we became individuals. So we want to break through that veil with courage to find energy that will support us. So let's do this one. So let's begin by bringing your awareness down to your feet, and you want to take a wider stance, and you're going to decide which width of stance is going to work for you. So a little bit more narrow is going to be a little bit easier to do, a little wider is going to be a little harder. So let's start by taking your right foot and take it out so that it faces off to the side. And the left foot will stay facing this direction. And then bring your hands, bring one hand up by the heart, and I'm bringing my right hand by the heart and the left hand by the face. And we're going to slowly squat down. We're going to squat down, and you decide how deep you want to go. And then we're going to bring the hands down and slowly, like we're going like a tiger across the earth, across the ground, and then lift them up, rise up, and bring this energy back. This is energy dropping down through you as you squat down. Get very connected with the earth like a tiger and go along the earth, breaking through this veil and bringing up this wisdom, so that we have the energy we need to support ourselves, and let it ground into your body. So you're reaching forward and then coming back. So it's a circular motion with the arms. We go down and we circle around and come back up, pumping the legs as you move. Inhale as you bring it back. Exhale as you drop and go forward. Inhale as you come up and back. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Get a sense of being like a tiger energy as we come up. Pull that knowledge, those possibilities, so it's really opening up intuition. Opening up the creativity that can be in our lives. And letting that flow into your head, into your mind, and down through your body. And one more time. And then let's come back to the center. Let your feet go parallel once again, so they're now even with each other. Bring your hands in what we call prayer position, right by your heart. Let's begin with a nice breath in. Inhale. Open up to the chest, open up possibilities. Exhale. Hands come together and look down towards the earth. Inhale. Looking up. Exhale, looking down. This is called heart to sky. Inhale. And exhale. And let's move our focus over to the other side and do the tiger exercise the other side. So now, once again, we'll get our feet in position. So now the left foot will go off to the side. Decide the width of your stance that feels right for you. And then bring your hands. Right hand by the face, left hand by the heart. Take a breath in. Exhale, squatting down. Drop the hands and imagine them going along the earth. Inhale, pull that intuition, pull that creativity back into your body. Exhale as it goes down through your body and then along the earth. Inhale and exhale. This circular motion with the hands, dropping down and breathing in. Getting a sense of being more and more connected with all that is. beauty of animals is that they're very connected with all that is around them. They're not necessarily caught up in thoughts and emotions. Not saying that they don't have those. It's saying that they're not necessarily being overwhelmed by them. So we want to invite the same idea. Bringing in and releasing. Good. One more time. And then coming back to your center. Bring your feet a little bit closer together. Feet are parallel once again. Bring your hands once again to your heart. Take a few nice deep breaths. In and out through the nose, tongue's on the upper palate. You can even rest your hands over your heart. Smile to your heart. Breathe into your lungs. And I hope that gives you some more energy to support yourself. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care.